Hello loves and welcome back to my channel. My name's Angelique if you are new here, and today we are going to be doing a clean with me, disinfecting and sanitizing edition. Our house is in some desperate need of cleaning, and since everything's going on, I figured it'd be good to do kind of like a deeper sanitation clean. I do keep the house fairly clean, you know, because it's just Sawyer and I, but obviously with everything that's going on, I want to take it to the next level and just really disinfect and pay attention to like the little things in the house. So I've actually written out everything that I want to clean and sanitize. So what I hope is that this video will inspire you to clean and sanitize your house and also give you some tips and maybe things that you didn't think of sanitizing or disinfecting. So let's go ahead and get started because I have a feeling this is going to take me a while. Now in every one of my cleaning videos so far, I kind of started like a routine in the sense of I always start in the kitchen. I don't know why, but it kind of just makes me feel good once I get like the kitchen kind of cleaned and organized. So once again, we're just gonna start there because that's how I start cleaning. So let's clean the kitchen. I'm gonna start by putting things away that are on the counter that don't need to be, and then move on to wiping down the counters. And then I just went through and wiped down all the frequently touched handles in the kitchen. All right, so the kitchen has been cleaned up and wiped down. The next task is to get rid of this rug, and it makes me so sad, but the dogs have taken it upon themselves to use that as their personal potty pad. And I can't wash it because of the material, so I'm really sad about that. So if you have any rug recommendations, let me know, or any tips on how to train a 10 or 11-year-old dog, let me know. Anyways, going to move the chairs and tables. Sawyer's gonna come help me in a minute. I'm gonna wipe down the legs of the chairs and unfortunately roll out the rug. And yeah, I'm sad about it. I'm so sad. I love this rug. Okay, the rug has successfully been disposed of. The nice thing about it is I get it cleaned properly underneath it, which hasn't been done since we moved in. So there is a plus there. So let's just go ahead and start vacuuming the whole house. All right, now that we're done vacuuming, we are going to go ahead and mop the house. So today for my mop solution, I'm gonna be using distilled white vinegar, as well as Lysol Clean and Fresh multi-surface cleaner. Now it says you can use it on floors. I normally just use it diluted on the counters, but we're gonna try it as a mop solution today. I'm so excited to be mopping my floors. It's been raining the last few days, and so the dogs have been tracking in mud, and it just like, it needs it. And I know I talk about this mop every time I mop the floors, but I love it. It's the O Cedar mop and has like detachable heads so I can wash it because nothing grosses me out more than a mop that you can't wash. You can get replacements, you can wash them. And I love this bucket as well because there's a spot where you can like step on it and it wrings out the mop. So anyways, big fan of this mop. Alrighty.
Looks good. Super clean. Super clean. Wow, is that fun?
Oh my gosh, so much better. Now I just have to deal with those boxes. One of those is Sawyer's roof for his car, and then the other one is for home decor. So a home decor haul will be coming soon. So now that it's moved, let's go ahead and finish mopping the rest of the house. Okay, I'm exhausted. So I just finished cleaning, mopping, dusting, and like doing the baseboards. So tomorrow I'm gonna show you how I sanitize like individual items. But yeah, I just wanted to get like the cleaning part done and sanitize the floors. And then tomorrow I can take you through my like disinfecting the house part. But yeah, it's all part of the process, how to get the dirt up first. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning and welcome back to this Clean With Me Disinfecting Sanitizing edition. I'm so excited to get the bathroom done because obviously a lot of germs live in the bathroom and we're always in here, and we only have one bathroom in the main part of the house. The second one is in Sawyer's office, so everyone uses this bathroom. So I'm really excited just to get it cleaned and know that everything is sanitized. So the first thing we are going to do is get the towels out of here. I wash these quite frequently anyway, but with everything going on, I change them out at least 2 times a week. So just gonna pull out towels. Alrighty, towels, well, will be done in a second. Gotta wash them. So the first thing we're gonna clean in the bathroom is the vanity. I just wanna get that wiped and like disinfected, and then we'll move on. My choice of weapons today is gonna be this Lysol Power Bathroom Cleaner. I've been using this for like a month or so, and I really like it. It smells really nice. I feel like it's getting really clean. Ew, gross. Looks like I need to clean the shower curtain today. I am done with the vanity, so I'm going to spray the tub and let that sit and then move over to the toilet. So let's just go ahead and spray this first, and then we'll come back to it. Alright, now we're just going to finish by scrubbing the tub, and then the bathroom will be so freaking clean and smell so good. Ah, I'm excited. It's crazy how cleaning a bathroom can also make you excited. Adulting. And just like that, the bathroom is clean. I'm gonna quickly get ready and then we'll sanitize the rest of the house. And I'm back. I am now ready for the day and ready to continue cleaning. Yay! So what we're gonna do now is just go through the house and disinfect the surfaces that don't get touched on a daily or even a weekly basis. They're more the things that in a normal situation get done, you know, like once a month, once every couple months, but under these circumstances, we are gonna do it a lot more frequently, right guys? So I went ahead and made a list of things that I wanted to sanitize and disinfect. Now there are things that you may not normally think of, so I thought this would be helpful, maybe to spark some other ideas. And if you guys have anything that I'm forgetting, please let me know down in the comments below. But some of the stuff I didn't even think of till I really sat down and was like, ooh, I should probably wipe that down. So I have here my Clorox wipes and my list, so let's just go ahead and get disinfecting. Woo. The first thing on my list is to wash your sheets. Sheets can get really dirty. If you think about it, your hands, your face, your body, your feet, everything ends up in the bed at some point during the day. And so it's very important to keep your sheets clean and change them frequently. I actually did this earlier this week, which is the footage you guys are seeing. But yeah, clean sheets first of all feel good, but it is necessary during times like these. And if you don't get to wash them multiple times a week, at least change your pillow covers. It's just necessary. And it doesn't hurt if you wash the dogs too, because their feet are gross. How about that? Should we move on? Okay. The next thing I'm going to clean is all of my technology. I have my iPad, my laptop, my phone, and my AirPods. This is very important because you're touching these surfaces all day, so you need to clean them quite frequently, especially your phone. Gross. Much better. Oh my gosh. Just knowing that the surfaces are clean. Love it. The next thing on my list is to clean the sink. Now I'm going to use this Clorox cleaner and bleach. First of all, it helps with stains. Second of all, it disinfects. So I'm just going to spray this, let it sit, and I'll wipe it down later. Something that you guys may not have thought of is to wipe down your car keys. If you think about it, we touch those all the time, so frequent. They're in our purse, they're in our hands, our kids. Well, I don't have kids, but kids grab them, boyfriends, whatever, you get it. Wipe them down. It's very, very important. So I'm just going through my key drawer and wiping down all of our keys. All right, the next thing we're gonna do is wipe down all remotes. I also need to find a few remotes. Somehow it's probably stuck in the couch, but just wipe them down. We touch them every day, it's gross. There's a few in the bedroom. Oh, hey. Found the other remote. Also, while we're here, we might as well wipe down TVs. Buttons on the side. One of the more important things on this list, in my opinion, is light switches. I almost forgot, and I was sitting there, I'm like, oh my gosh, we touch those multiple times a day, and I don't know if I've ever wiped them down. So we're doing it now. Something else you guys may not have thought about are like bar stools. Like ours are metal, and so I just feel like they can get really grimy really fast. So I'm just gonna wipe it down. All right, the last thing we're going to disinfect are all the door handles. Again, can't say I've done this in a really long time, so I'm glad we're doing it. I need to get better about adding this type of thing to my normal cleaning routine. So I'm just gonna go through and wipe down all the door handles. And then one last bonus item that I forgot to add to my list is the trash can. I walked by and I'm like, how many people touch that or throw gross things in there, you know? So, boom, just like that, we're done. Well, loves, there you have it. That was my clean with me, disinfecting and sanitizing video. If I forgot anything, please let me know down in the description below. I'm sure there's something else I need to clean and sanitize, so let me know because it's hard to remember all the little details when you're doing it all at once. Anyways, I hope this video was helpful and inspired you to deep clean and sanitize your home. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so already. I would love to have you. But that is it. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!